children? How are you all? Yes. Have you enjoyed the 3 days holidays? Weekend holidays? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Which festival was that? Yes, it was a Deepavali. Deepavali ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಬಲಿಪಾಡ್ಯಮಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದೀಪಗಳ ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಮನೇಲಿ? ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಲೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೀಪಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು ಅಮ್ಮ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ ಮನೆಗೆ? ಎಸ್. 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಗೊತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಹೆವಿ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನೋ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಎ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್? ಲೈಕ್ ಸುಸರ್ಬತ್ತಿ, ಭೂಚಕ್ರ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಚಕ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಪಾಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ಥರ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 3-4 ಡೇಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಎಸ್. I know that you are not interested in the online class, no? Today's, especially today's, because you got 3 days long leave. Correct, no? Yes. Oh, still you have to read, children. ನೀವು ಓದಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Yes. Okay. As usual, after 3 days, I know in the festival you will not be able to wake up early. ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದಿರಕ್ಕಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಕೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ರೊಟೀನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ರೊಟೀನ್, ಡೈಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ವಾಟ್? Morals. Okay? And your good values also. Yes? Yes. Okay? Okay children, shall we start our class? Yes or not? Beka bedva class ಇವತ್ತು? ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಬೇಡವಾ? But you have to do. Okay? Children Day ದಿನ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? 14th November, it was the Children's Day, right? Yes, Rekha ma'am explained. You know what is the Children's Day? Yes. Okay. I think you all missed your sweets, Sarah. If you are in the school, we would have celebrated the Children's Day very grandly. You would have got the lots of sweets and chocolates, but don't miss it. When you come to the school, we will give you the chocolates and your gifts. Okay? Yes? Yes. I'll start the class as usual with the English. what we were learning? Whole, then what else? Bone, tone, bone, then hose, then what else? Row, this and all we learned yesterday. Whole, bone, pore, tone, mole, hose and row. So many words are there. As usual, I was telling you, go to your Google search or your Pinterest. There you can see the so many words of O-E family. Okay. Stole also is there. Okay. Yes, children. Yes. Yesterday I did 3 sentences using the same words. Okay. Today I will read the words in the Discover Phonics. Okay. They are given some words here. What are those? Bone, cone, hole, hose, mole, poke, pole, row. As I told you yesterday, E will be in a silent form. We will not spell the phonic sound of E. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ bone ಗೆ bony ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. Bone. We will cut there only. E will be always silent in the OE family. The dog likes to hide its bone. The mole dug a deep hole. Okay? Like that, they have given some words in your phonic activity book also. In your phonic activity book, page number 20. They have given there some words. The same OE words: bone, cone, hose, mole, slow, spoke, stole, and the pole. Okay? Yes, you all understood? This is OE family which belongs to O group. This is the long vowel words of O. Okay? With this, we will review some sight words. Like A. In the A, we were writing a dog, a cat, a man. Okay, this is a sight word A. While spelling the A, we will cut it as a phonic sound A. A dog, a cat, a man, a flower, like that. Okay. Next word was go. I will go to sleep. I go to the park. I go to market. I go to market. I will go to sleep. I go to the park. I go to market. Okay. This is the sight word of the go. A and go. What is the sight word? Sight word is the word which we use more and more times. While we were speaking, either we were in the speaking or by writing, we will use these words more and more times. Okay, children? This is the sight word A and go. Okay, the homework is read page number 80 and 90. Okay, the second over phonic activity book, page number 20. Okay, third one in your 4 lines book. Excuse me. 4 lines book. Page you have to write only 3 sentences. Okay. Write 3 sentences using sight words. Okay, sight words A, go. Okay, this is the homework for you. What is that? Discover phonic book. Read page number 18 and 19. Phonic activity book, page number 20. You have to write and complete. Keep your handwriting clean. Don't run away and write. Okay, just look into the words how they are given. In which line they have touched the alphabets, like red to blue or red to black, black to black, like that they will give, that you have to follow. Next, the third one, in the 4 lines book you have to write OE. Using the OE words you have to write 3 sentences. Write 3 sentences using sight word A and go. Okay, you have to write 3 sentences for A also and 3 sentences for the go also. Okay children, this is your English class. Now we will move to our maths. Next is our maths. Okay, in that we will read before number. Okay, between, before and after number. Okay, only we will use for 0 to 10. Okay, first I will go to between. What do you mean by between? The middle number is called between numbers. Example is 5 dash 7. The 6 is the between number. Next one is 8 dash 10. 9 will be in the between. Like that, if I write 2 dash 4, the 3 will be in the between. This is the between number. The middle number is called the between number, or the number which comes between two numbers are called a between numbers. Next is after. The number comes after the given number. Okay, the number that comes, okay, that comes after the given number. For example, if I write 9, the next number will be the after number 10. If I write 4, the next number will be 5. Okay. If I write 6, the next number will be 7. This is the after numbers. Okay. Next is before numbers. The number that comes before given number is before number. Is before number. Okay, the number that comes before given number is before number. Example, if I write 8 here, the number which comes before 8 is 7. If I write 10 here, the number that comes before 10 is 9. If I write 2 here, the number which comes before is 1. If I write 1 here, the number which comes before is 0. Like this, the number that comes before the given number is the before number. Okay, understood no children? The number, the middle number is called the between number. The number which comes between two numbers is a between number. After the number that comes after the given number is a after number. Before number, the number that comes before given number is before number. This is a between, after and before. I given you so many example using the spoons, pencils and other color sticks. Okay, this is the revision what I am doing for you. Okay, I'll give some homework is okay, the homework is okay, complete page number 14 in maths workbook. Okay, second one is problems for problems for each. For between you have to solve 6 problems. For before you have to solve 6 problems, and after you have to solve 6 problems. From 0 to 20 numbers you need to do the sums. Write the sums of your own. You can write by yourself or you can take the help of your mama, but try to write yourself the homework problems also, so that it will help you to create yourself your uniqueness. Okay children, this is your homework for the maths. Now we are going to our next class, that is EVS. Okay, in the previous we were discussing about wild animals. Okay children, what is wild animals? Wild animals is nothing but animals which are staying in the jungle. Correct, no? Okay, the wild animals is the animals which are living in jungle or in forest. They are called the wild animals. As I told you, the wild animals are very harmful. They eat or they prey their own food. They don't live under the human beings. Correct, no? Wild animals ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಟೈಗರ್ ನೀವು ಸಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಯನ್ ಸಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಸಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಮ್ಡ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Yes. So many wild animals are there, like lion, tiger, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, zebra, snake, snake. Then what else? Bear, cheetah, leopard. Then yes, giraffe. So many are there. Like that, some unarmed animals also there, like deer. Then rabbit. Then what else? Some others which peacock, many kinds of birds that also stay in the forest. We will call them as a wild, but they are not arms for the other animal. They will not do any harms to the other animals. Still they live in forest. Okay, they live far from the human beings. Okay, these are called the wild animals. As I told you, the wild animals have a different kind of their sounds. Okay, you all don't know the animals how they will make a sound. The lion will roar, the tiger will scream. Okay, the fox will water. What it will do? It will scream. Okay, the elephant will make a loud sound. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about some sounds of the animals. Today we will see the homes of the animals. Animals and their homes. Okay, animals and their homes. I'll show you one animal. You have to tell me where that will live. Can you see? This is which animal? Yes, this is a lion. Lion. Where does the lion will stay, children? Can you tell me where the lion will stay? It's a den. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಗುಹೆ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೇವ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, next I'll go to next animal. Which animal is this? Can you see? Yes, this is an elephant. Elephant stay in a forest. Forest ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ elephant ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ zebra. Which animal is this? Zebra. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Zebra. Okay, zebra. Where the zebra will stay? Yes, it will live in a forest. In which place? Where there is a lot of grass. It is also called a grassland. Okay, in the grassland the zebra will stay. Okay children? Yes. Next one we will go to tiger. Where the tiger will stay? Tiger will stay in a cave. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಟೈಗರು ಗುಹೆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ bear. Where the bear will stay? Bear also will stay in a cave. Where the bear will stay? The bear also will stay in a cave. Correct, no? Yes. Giraffe. Where the giraffe will stay? Okay, where the giraffe will stay? It will stay in a forest where there is a big trees. Where there will be a big trees, there will be a there the giraffe will stay. Okay, next we will go to the next thing, that is hippopotamus. Okay, hippopotamus. Okay, where the hippopotamus will stay? Near the lake. Yes, no? Near the lake or a stagnant water. There will be some stagnant water, na? In that stagnant water, near that this hippopotamus will stay. These also usually stay in a forest only. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದಿರ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡೋದನ್ನ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but near the lake it will stay. Like that crocodile also. Where the crocodile will stay? Yes, it also will stay near the river or near the lake. The crocodile will stay. Okay, next we go to snake. Where the snake will stay? Yes. Yes, where the snake will stay? I mean, where the snake will live? It's a burrow. I think I have discussed so many animals. Your favorite, you all know, no? Where the monkey will stay? Where the monkey's house will come? It's in a trees. In the forest, on the trees, the monkey will stay at a home. Okay children, today we discussed little about the animals and their homes. Like lion, it will stay in den. Elephant in a big forest, there should be a big trees. And zebra, it will stay in a grassland, that is to be near to the forest. Tiger will stay in a cave. Bear also in the cave. Giraffe, I told you already, it stays in a jungle or in a forest. Hippopotamus, it stays near to the lake because this is the animal which can't live without the water. Crocodile, it will stay near the river or lake. Snake and rabbit will stay in the burrows, and monkey will stay on the trees. Okay children, you all understood now? Tomorrow we will discuss some more about the animals and their sounds and also their homes. Okay, stay safe, stay at home only children. Bye.